Hello friends, welcome to Code Champ. Now I'm going to tell you the second part of the website which we are making with the help of AI. As we know very well that in the first session we have completed our home page. I told you how to add the buttons, how to make the link with numbers, how to make the link with websites, everything I have told you. Now in the next class I'm going to tell you how we can manage with the other pages. As we have completed home one, now the other page's name is academics, about us, apply and enroll. Suppose if you don't want any, then you just come here. I've just do here double click. When I will clicking on double click, then I will come here on academics. I don't want this academics. In place of this, I want to change the name. Then just simply do the click on these three dots. If you want to rename it, you can rename it very easily by clicking on this rename option. If you don't want it, then you can simply delete it. Right now, I don't want this one, so I'm going to delete the page. And then the page will be deleted quickly. Now, next one is the about us. I will click on this about us page. Now, I just want to do the editing in this page background, connect background and all these options. So I'm clicking on this about us page. When I will do the click here, it will show you the about us page. Right now, you can see my about us page is here. Now here, I just want to change the faculty and staff. In place of this, as my my website name is Code Champ. So I just want to mention here about our campus. In place of this, you can type anything. If you want to take some idea from AI, then you can just click here on generate text with AI. I have already mentioned here about us, our campus. And in place of this, it will show that you can create your one. Suppose I'm typing here about our campus. I just want to mention this one. Then it will write something about your campus. And then if you will provide some details regarding it, then it will give you the full detail. Like this, you can ask the question. After that, I just want to change the background. So just click here. When you will click here, this is the strip 1, this is the strip 2. Here, I just want to mention something. So I'm clicking on this change background option. Here you can see video. I just want to add here my campus video that will be the animated. So if you add your campus video, then you can choose any right now. You can take it from your computer also if you have, but right now I'm just choosing any other video which is already here. So I'm going to take suppose this one. After clicking here, change background, then your background will be changed. Now, when the page will start, then this video will be animated. Like this, you can add here your campus video also. That will look really superb, very nice. Here it is showing our faculty members. You can type a paragraph regarding your faculty members. And here I just want to change the picture. I just want to add here my candidate's name. So this is the repeater. Repeater means you can repeat it again and again. I'm just clicking on it and click here on the whole screen. If you will click here, then click on manage content. When you will click on manage content, click here on edit content, then the window will open. In this window, all the pictures, all the mails and all the informations are here. You can quickly edit here. Means no need to go one by one and click here or there. In place of this, you can change it. Suppose Mr. David wants their title, email, image. I just want to click here. So it has opened. Now quickly just change. Suppose I just want to mention here Mr. Raj Sharma, job title, Java expert. Mention the email ID, raj@gmail.com. This is the image one. You can click replace with URL. If you have any URL, you can download the image or you can delete the image if you want. Suppose I'm just choosing replace with URL. If I have another URL of that, then I can click here. If I want to simply replace the image, just click on the replace option. Here you will get many images. If you don't have the images right now, then click on upload media, upload from your computer. If you have any picture here, just click on the pictures where you have saved it and just quickly choose it. Let me choose any one picture quickly. So I don't think so any picture is here. So let me check in desktop. Okay, so I'm taking this one. Now, after uploading the image will be here, and when I will click on add to item, then my image will here. So in place of Raj, let me type here Rajni. Mrs. Rajni Sharma. Okay, like this, you can do the change in all order. You can mention it in the first order, second order, third order. If you want, you can add the subtext also and just simply click on the save option. Now you can see my image has changed. Like this, you can change everywhere quickly. I have showed you one thing. Now you can do it yourself. If you want to add some more, because only 15s are here. If you want to add more, then you can choose add item. Refresh order, then the all orders will be refreshed as it is showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can refresh it. Order is like this. All text you can mirror on site, that will be sorting, filter, manage fields, that you know already that because we have done Excel. So this is the option of the Excel, because these are tables. With the help of sort, you can make it filter up and down, and add item. You can add here some more items, but now right now I have showed only one. So I hope it's clear for you. Now I'm just going to close it. When I will close it, if I will do the refresh, then that thing will be changed on my window. So in this way, you can change the pictures of all the candidates, and also you can add the contact number and other things. After this, in the About Us page, if you want to add here your YouTube video, because this is the About Us page, so I want that people should know about our YouTube channel also. So we can add that one also here. Let the loading will complete, then I will tell you that YouTube video, Facebook video, Instagram video, you can just simply connect the link and that thing will be here. So again, I'm clicking here on this page option, this one. And after that, I'm just going on the About Us page. As I will click here, my About Us page is here. Now in this page, I just want to add here my video. Okay, actually total 15 photos were there, so that's why all are here. You can change. Now I just want to add here. Suppose I don't want this section. For example, okay, this is a repeater. I don't want this. So you can delete this also. Now it is showing that these are our staff members. Now in place of this is a strip. I just want to change here. I just want to put the my video. So what I will do, I will click on it. If you want, you can delete it with a simple, do the double click on it. And then you can change, because this is the container. In place of this, I just want to add here my video in this container. Okay, so I have done a double click, and that press delete key, it has deleted. Now click on it, on this plus option, and after that, here you can see text, image, button, that I told you already that you can add here. If you want to add here your video, then simply click on this video and music. If you have your video on YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Dailymotion, you can directly take it from there. If you don't have this, then you can directly upload from video. So right now I'm choosing upload video. Now I can put it here with the help of the dots. You can set it like this. So it will be set in your container. And this is the repeater option. So this video has repeat everywhere. Now I'm just clicking on it and click here on this change video. Click on this change video. When you will click here, you can upload video directly from your Google, Facebook, Instagram. But right now I have it in my download option. So I'm going to change it from there. So right now I'm taking this thing, for example. So we will click here, and after that we will just click here, let it be upload. Click on it. If the video is okay, then it will be added in your page and you can set it there. Okay. If you want, you can change the video. You can also upload the different one. Okay, like this you can edit. But for example, the second thing is this: if I don't want to upload the video from here, then I will click on this YouTube button. Then a YouTube video will be open here. And by clicking on this change video, you can also mention the URL. Suppose I just want to add the URL of my YouTube. So right now I'm clicking here on this YouTube button. And right now, for example, I'm just choosing here any random video. Let me open my channel. Same I'm taking. And I just click on share, copy the URL. And after doing copy the URL, just come on your website and Control V. Then you can see your video will be here. As I am telling you, this is the repeater option. So it will be repeat the same video everywhere. For removing all these things, you can click here and then you can choose the manage item. So manage content. Again, click here on edit content. And one by one, you can change the video also. Because this is the repeater one, so I have to change it manually from here like this. Okay, as I told you already. So now you can do it as per your choice. And if you don't want this, then simply press the delete button and it will be deleted. So like this, you can add here. And if you don't want this section, then just click here on this repeated one and you can delete the whole strip. Now you can see I have pressed the delete key. Now this whole key has deleted. In place of now that repeater option, I just want to add my section. So we click on this add element option. When you click on add element, here you can see strip. If you want to add the strip, I'm just clicking on it. Now you can see my strip is here. First strip I have added. If I want, I can change the background also. Now here I just want to add few containers. So here you can also add the decorative part in which you can set your videos. You can add your contact form. If you want to add a contact form here for taking the admission, you can add here some social videos like share button, Facebook, Twitter. You can choose this one. If you want to create any blog, event, all options are here. You can choose any. For example, I just want to add here my single video. So again, I'm going it. Click on this YouTube button. My YouTube video is here. I just want to put it here. Now it will not repeat. Why? Because I have deleted that one. Click on the change video. I already copied that one. Click on this paste option. Now you can see my video is here. Now with the help of this, I can resize it. Like this, it seems like a container and you can add many videos. Okay. After this, the next one is this sprite. This is also blank. Now here I just want to add here one view. So click on it, add element. Now here I want to add few boxes. It will show few box. You can choose featured box, arrow box, horizontal lines, vertical lines. All the options are here. You can choose whatever you want as per your requirement. Okay, characters, videos, video box. For example, video mask. I'm adding here video mask. So whenever I click here on video mask, I'm choosing this one. This is the mask one, means my video will be set here. Change Bing play button. If you want, you can change it. If you want to change the video, I'm clicking on this change video. If you have any video right now, I'm taking it from here. Otherwise, you can upload it also. Suppose I'm going to take this one. Click on add to page. Then this video will be added in this mask. Mask means the video will be set in a different shapes. So it will look pretty good if you will do like this. After this, I just want to add here my background. So I will click on it. Here I also attach some videos. So I'm going to take this one, change background. Now my background will be changed. That will look quite good. This is my first strip. This is my second strip. And in the third step, you can see add a form. No form is here. So I will click on edit form. After that, clicking on edit form, the dashboard will be open. Now you can mention few fields name, few images, few buttons as per your choice. This is the quick action button. Like first name, I just want to add here. After that, I want to add here The last name, it will come here. Now click here. I want to add here email also. Again, click here. I want to add phone number. And I think it's enough. After that, doing the setting all of these things, you can choose of items like multi-choice of item, drop-down list. Suppose I'm taking here drop-down list, and in this drop-down list, I will mention here city, and here you can mention city. Suppose I'm typing here Delhi, Noida, something like this. Add options, then you can add more. Like I'm adding here Pune, and after this I will add here suppose Mumbai, and click here on save option. Now my form will be saved and it will show like a multi-choice option. Like this, you can set date and time and all these things. Here you can add the buttons also. And if you want that the payment item should also be there, so just click on this payment option. After clicking on this payment option, you can click on this product, that install checkout a product. Whatever the user has added here, it should be there. Fixed price you can also add in this. Everything you have to install. Checkout means use payment fields, you have to do that thing also. And after doing all these things, this is the pages, that how many pages you want and how many rules you want. If you want to add one more field, you can add here also. This is a preview of it, that how it will look. It will look something like this. When I will click on it, it will show. In the setting option, you can also choose the setting option. First name asterisk means this is required field. If you will make a label, then it is not required. Submission, this is the submission. If anybody will submit your form, then you will get it here. Now back to forms. Then click on save changes. After that, I'm going to close it. Now, if you want to add here, then your form will be added. Right now, I haven't added here, but if you want, you can add like this. Last thing, you know very well that you just mention here your contact number. You can also make the link with website, contact number, and all these things. So I hope till here everything is clear for you. Again, I'm telling you, if you want to edit form, then click on edit form and then you can save it here. Now I'm clicking on publish option. As I told you in the last class, don't forget to publish your website after doing change. Okay, if you will forget, then in the next time when you will open, then it will not look something same like this. Now I have published it. I'm going to click on preview. With the help of this preview, you can check. This is my About Us page. Masking, strip, and the background which I have changed, everything is here. My video is here, my masking is here, my background is here. And form I haven't taken, so that's why nothing is here. So I hope this, like this About Us page, you can change in all the pages also. Now, in the next class, I will tell you how to make the payment section and how to add the domain name. So till then, try to complete your website. Now, see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.